Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to write description or bio in your YouTube channel. Okay, so you can write anything on your YouTube description. So how can you do this on PC? So you have to go youtube.com, then you can see the profile icon, okay, right top corner on your screen. Simply click here, and after that you can see view your channel. Click here, and then click here customize channel. Click here, and you can see the option channel customization. So simply click here basic info, the third option, and you can see this is the description. So you can type like hello everyone. So you can type anything, okay, here. Welcome to my channel. Okay, after that you can change add language, and after that simply click here published, or you can use symbol or anything you can use here, and after that simply click here published, then your channel description will be changed. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.